Today we're going to look at a Yamaha 242XE. This is Jim Pinkham with MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Stepping onto the back of the boat, nice easy center walk through. Has a large 12-inch flat panel digital dash, dual throttles, cell phone holder, tilt steering wheel, dual captain chairs with bolster, this has a large bow area, ample seating, speakers, cup holders, anchor locker, flush mount cleats, grab handles. This is the 2020 242XE by Yamaha.
I just emailed you this whole list, but some of the parts are too apart to change, and won't help.
If you'd like to come by and take a look at this Yamaha 242XE, I'm Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168.